In this video, I'll show you how to receive a call and use the Carina Wireless Microphone as an intercom microphone. This video assumes you have set up a SIP extension for your Carina IP speaker or Carina IP display. I'll link to a video in the description field below that shows you how to set up a SIP extension. The Carina Wireless Microphone needs to be paired, powered on, and enabled on the wall panel. The desk phone represents the front office or an administrator outside of the classroom that is trying to contact this room. I'll dial the extension of the IP speaker that I am trying to reach, and I will speak to the classroom. From the Carina Wireless Microphone, I'll press the call button once to utilize the wireless microphone instead of the built-in microphone on the speaker. When I speak into the microphone, my voice will go into the desk phone instead of being amplified through the speaker. To end the call, the front office will need to hang up. And now, my voice is once again amplified through the speaker.